Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Spiritual Insurance. Today we are going to discuss topic expectations. We all expect nowadays and we feel and we experience that we don't get what we want from other people. So I would like to share an example that will help you to come over expectation problems. So stay tuned to the last and I hope that we will learn something. Thank you. For example, you go to a tailor and you tell him that I want to stitch some suit or any dress, and then the tailor tells you that I have already stitched the dress for you and you need to fit in this dress. Will you like it? Right? You won't like it, right? You're saying that I am coming to you, you should first meet me, take my measurements, then only you should stitch the cloth, no? However, the tailor still says no, you only have to fit to the cloth which I have stitched for you. That's it. Will you ever go to that tailor again to stitch your clothes? No, right? It is same for expectations. We tell others that the way I want you to fit in, then only you have to be, otherwise don't come to me. So it is my request that first meet the person, then stitch his personality in your mind. If you like this thought, please like, share and subscribe my channel The Spiritual Insurance. Thank you.